being a band director on a remote learning day in a pandemic. Buddy, you join the Google Meet the same way every time. You just click the link at the top. The hyperlink in the banner. The banner. No, scroll up. When they told you they did all their work, yeah, no, they did not. The polygraph test determined that was a lie. Those are the directions that are answering all of the questions. Yes. Click. No. The banner. That's the thing at the top with the music notes. You click. Oh my god. Come on, Infinite Campus. No. Read the directions. It's under the heading Directions, and it's all bold and underlined and in lime green. You don't see it? I know. I'm sorry. I did not eat a pangolin in a Chinese market. So, yeah, please stop yelling at me. Dun, 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 dun. Dear Mrs. Olson, I request to have a week off playing my instrument. I am scared to play my instrument because of saliva. I'm afraid I will get the coronavirus. Je veux boire des petits cafés et manger du fromage à Paris. I am sad. Okay, can you put your dog in another room? Yes. I know I've been calling a lot, yes. Yes, I know the school's been calling a lot. Yes, I know your child's teachers all care that your child doesn't wind up, living on your couch. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? So yes, we call, yes. Uh-huh. Well, maybe if they turned something in, we'd stop calling. Oh, they're yelling. Breathing. I know that I'm breathing in. Breathing. I know that I'm breathing out. Put the cat down. Okay, the hyperlink is the blue thing. You click the blue thing and it takes you to the website. Oh my god, why do you have so many tabs open? Dear Lord. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. Where is that music coming from? Ma'am. Maybe put your kid on. Yes, I see your goats. They're very cute. I don't even like applesauce. I just found this in my desk. Woo. Woo. Oh. Ma'am, I can still hear you. Triplet, 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 let one. Yes! One of my students who was failing finally turned in all their assignments. Yes. This is really gonna turn their grade. These are all blank.